Race number 10, Santana Park and the Racy Song. Private Thoughts from the outside, rushing up birthday gift sports class. And moving up, Royal Jester, Lucky Batong Buhay. It's Royal Jester, Batong Buhay, Lucky in between runners, Private Thoughts alongside his birthday gift. It's Royal Jester, Bayalankina, Batong Buhay in second. And Lucky racing by the run alongside his birthday gift, Private Thoughts. And Sports Class racing on the outside. And inside the last 800, Royal Jester, Batong Buhay, Private Thoughts on the outside. And here comes birthday gift, Lucky. And rounding the far turn, Batong Buhay, birthday gift to grab the lead. And Private Thoughts. And here comes Lucky, Royal Jester as they race the ball corner. Birthday gift from the outside, Private Thoughts in between runners by the rallies, Batong Buhay, Lucky. And with the last 250 meters more to run, Private Thoughts, birthday gift, Private Thoughts, Batong Buhay, Lucky, birthday gift from the outside, Private Thoughts, Batong Buhay. And nearing the finish line, 6A, birthday gift, Private Thoughts, Batong Buhay, Lucky. Sports Class,